All right. So the other day I was sitting with my mother, and as I sat beside her, she told me, "Son, that you are the eldest in your family, and you have to be the one to be at the top to gain the respect of your siblings, of your younger brothers and sisters out there. Like since you are the eldest in your family, you have to be an example among them, not just in money, but in character, in status, in every other stuff." And I realized at a time that my mother actually had a lot of expectation from me, and that sentence hit me when she said that you have to be at the top. And my me and my relationship with my mother is very much of a friendly relationship. She every times, whenever we talk, she gives a piece of advice. She teaches me every time. She shares her feelings and all. And even I'm so much of open to her that I also share my feelings to her. And one thing hit me is that she shared a really great piece of advice to me, and I feel if I share it to you, it could also help you. When she was a kid, she saw the movie The Karate Kid. So the amazing piece of advice she shared to me is that, son, you have to first focus on the basics. Your basics are not clear, hence you're not able to do great stuff in your life. And that actually hit me because the reason why I couldn't achieve all those big things is because I wasn't able to be able to find excellence in basics. Like for example, since she's a mother, a typical Indian mother, she gave an example of making a bed, and that it's really important, right? A little thing like making your bed, it just shows how disciplined you are with the basic, with the minimum thing, right? And then she gave me an example of the movie of the Karate Kid. You know what? The When Jackie Chan trains the kid, he made him do the basic stuff like cleaning, sweeping, and doing all the household chores. Like he didn't just straight away jump into a topic of like fighting 10 people. The kid started with just cleaning the house or cleaning this material or picking up the jacket and putting it down again. And that thing really hit me because like we as a human beings, we tend to focus on big stuff, but we neglect the small things, the little things, the basics, which we have to focus on, even if it's like making your bed after you get up in the morning. So you know what, I think we have to really focus on our basics. Let's Before fixing our life, let's just fix the basic things we have to do. Right, so I wrote a list of things that actually I could be disciplined in, and those are very basic and little things. First thing is to make your bed. When you get up and just when you wake up right after in the morning, just try to make your bed first thing in the morning. What it does, it helps you build a little bit of discipline into your life. like like suppose you are a person who is very undisciplined, very inconsistent, or very lazy. It will help you. Like suppose it's a game, like it's just a level 1, so you have to improve day by day. So people have no civic sense. Okay, so that's my friend basically. But to continue in the topic, let's do this as a game. You have to build discipline a little by little. So what I recommend is, first thing in the morning, try to make your bed. Second thing is, you have to carry yourself good. Most people forget to carry themselves good. Try to wear good clothes, try to focus on your hygiene, try to be the guy who smells good. These are all the basic things. And taking care of yourself and just carrying yourself better, it what it does, it automatically increases your respect in front of your peers or in front of your friends and all. So it's just a win-win situation for you. So the most important thing right now is to focus on the discipline and the basic things which you're. So I'll just finish this video by sharing you a one last piece of advice, and that is to not setting unrealistic expectations when you start. Most people, what they do is they start, they immediately try to focus on several other different things, like they're the beginner, right? Like for example, if you're starting content creation, just start by learning how to set a camera first. Not jump into stuff like cinematic and audio and angles and stuff. Just try to first learn how to set up a camera, and that's is the power of starting from the basics or being excellent in the basics. So if you take just one single thing out of this video, is that just don't try to do everything, and just focus on the basics. Focus and this also applies in your studies, in your colleges, in whatever subject or field you are in, you know and if you want to start being a disciplined person, I highly recommend you to start by doing some basic stuff like making your bed or washing your dishes or any other thing, like even if it is washing your clothes or whatever it is, just do that.